Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check up on your application status on the Bolt application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you have applied to register for an account on just the Bolt application, then all you will need to do is use your credentials and verify your account identity, and you will be able to use the app right away. However, if you have applied to be a Bolt driver, then in order to check the status of your application, just open up any web browser of your preference, and then in the address bar type in partners.bolt.eu. This will now take you into your Bolt application page. From this page, tap on the login button by scrolling down, and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in your phone number that you have used to sign up for your Bolt driver account, or you can also use your email address or your username. Then tap on the continue button and proceed forward by entering your account password. Once you enter your password, tap on the login button, and now once you are logged in, you will be taken into your Bolt driver homepage, which will let you know about your application status and by when you can expect your results. And there you have it. That is how you can check up your application status on the Bolt application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.